Welcome, here I've got ALCATEL 1B and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Now let's move to the left corner to this button. By just one tap here we get access to aspect ratio options. We can see that we are in 4:3 aspect ratio, we can pick also 16:9, and as you can see now the background has changed to the longer one, so this is how it looks like. Another tap to the left corner and let's move to 1:1 aspect ratio, so this is the square one. And when we tap to the left corner once again, we can also go to the full aspect ratio, so now we can see the full camera frame. And of course when we pick the left corner button once again, we can manage this as we need. Now let me go back to 4:3, the original one. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.